Hey guys, today is Sunday, the 22nd, if I'm not mistaken, or the 21st. Yeah, today is Sunday the 21st, and I'm getting ready to head out to see, go have lunch with my co-workers, and then we are going to get on a paddle boat. Now y'all know that a couple of vlogs back when I had my other hairstyle, we were supposed to go, but it was raining, so we didn't. And the only thing we did was go for brunch. So today we're gonna try it again. However, it's looking a little gloomy, and a couple of raindrops has already hit me when I was getting in the car. So looks like we're gonna try the boat thingy again. However, it looks like every Sunday that we try to go get on this boat, it wants to rain. So anywho, that's the plan for today. So listen, as I was leaving my apartment complex, I saw a baby running around the neighborhood with a bottle, a diaper, and a shirt on. No parent. And they had a dog with them. The dog was just following, chasing behind them. Outside now. So as I'm getting ready to leave out the gate, I'm just like, I can't leave this child be wandering this neighborhood not knowing who the parents, not knowing that, the baby is not in safe hands. So I noticed that the baby kept going to different houses, but they realized, oh, this is not the right house. Anyways, so the baby went to this one last house, and as I pulled up, the baby went inside their house. But the fact that the baby knows how to get in and out that door, and then the parents or the guardian, whoever, didn't even realize that the baby was missing, that's a problem for me. And before he actually went inside of the home, I was getting ready to film, but I turned off my camera so I can get ready to call 911. So again, I was not going to leave that child wandering the neighborhood by themselves, and God knows what could have possibly happened. So we just gonna thank God that the baby is back home in great hands, and hopefully the baby doesn't come back outside, and maybe the parents or whoever will keep their eyes on that child. So anyway, that's that. Let me go. I'm gonna call y'all back once I get with the crew.
We just split the bill.
But it's face for me to make. Look at you.
No, it's not the same. We don't go like this.
Yeah, I got the same stuff. What my mouth gonna be hurt? Yeah.
Yours first, and she's gonna add mine with my drink.
They loading up.
No, not bra on premises. This is a bar.
Oh, don't carry up there.
Yeah, up there.
Because they drink there already.
Yeah.
This side boat?
One of them. They only wait 5 minutes after. I got it. We're good. You want me to like next to
I just don't want my phone to fall.
I hope they're not taking us to Africa.
I used to work in the 90,000.
the boat trip is officially over. I thank you all for coming along with us. I hope you enjoyed the water as much as I did. I pray that you all have a great week, up and coming week. And make sure you like, subscribe. Until next time, guys. Peace.